Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make chocolate cake. In order to make that, you will need 2 eggs separated from their egg yolk and egg white, and some chocolate chips. The first step is to melt your chocolate chips in the microwave for up to a minute. After the chocolate chips have been in the microwave for up to a minute, just mix it up. After you mix it up for some time, add in the egg yolks. And mix this. After you mix it up all together, put them aside for now. The next step is to whisk the eggs until you get stiff peaks. After the egg yolks get fluffy, mix them into the melted chocolate chips and the egg yolk. After you mix it all together, preheat your oven at 325 degrees. While the oven is getting preheated, take some oil and put it on the cake pan. Then just spread it around. After you spread the oil around, take some all-purpose flour and just put a little bit over it. Then just do this until the all-purpose flour covers all the oil. After you're done, you can pour your cake batter into the cake pan. After your oven's done preheating, put it in the oven for 30 minutes. After it has been cooked, it's good and you can eat it.